Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis, and today we will be looking at the BTC and Ethereum price actions. And on this video we will be also looking at the TRX and Xtz price actions, which I shared my trade publicly. I really hope that you enjoy and learn from the content. Before we start, if you guys learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from the Bitcoin. When we look into a Bitcoin price action, yesterday the price was around here, and as I expected, as I mentioned, that we're going to come in this region, we will see another rejection from there. And as you can see, price literally stuck between 618 and 0.5 golden zones of the important levels of this Fibonacci levels. So right at this moment, we saw another rejection from 618. So this is what I would call we are in a range under a lower time frame. Now you can see the price action got stuck literally between 618 and 382 levels. We do not look into daily and weekly time frames, nothing much change. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, as I mentioned yesterday, as long as we're going to be staying above 55,900 and 56,000, we will go to the bullish territory. However, it is not 100% confirmed from my end. 2-hour time frame, as I said, when we look into a 2-hour time frame, once we manage to break $54,000, the 2-hour time frame started giving a bullish signal. However, going below this level of around $57,000, with this dump, we saw a consolidation under 2-hour time frame. As soon as again we broke the 0.5 Fibonacci level, 2-hour time frame starts moving towards the bullish side. 1-hour time frame, once we lost 57,000 and 57,500 level, 1-hour time frame start moving towards the bearish zone. However, with the breaking of around again $57,200 and $56,000, 1 hour started moving bullish zone. But right at this moment, I'm expecting the price action should test again 0.5 level, which is $56,000. As long as we're going to hold this support level 1 upper level or lower level, and the lower time frame, ideally we have to hold this 0.5 level upper level, which is $56,000, in order to break this 0.618 golden zone. And as you can see, we are getting bullish signals from lower time frame. However, mid time frame giving a consolidation, higher time frame started weakening, and therefore it is hard for us to tell where the price action goes. And as long as we're going to stay above this 618, ideally around $59,000 and $60,000, we are good to go towards the previous all-time high, which was $65,000, and the next stop is going to be $68,000 and $70,000. But at the same time, do not forget that this is extremely important level, that 0.382, the support level 2, which is $54,000. As I said yesterday's video, if we're going to lose this level, which is too early for us to talk about right at this moment, then we will see a heavy dump in the market. But otherwise, as long as we're going to hold this level, 0.5 level, maybe a week, the lower line of this support level, then the bulls can defend this zone, and as a result we will have a chance this time to break this 0.618 golden zone. If you want to learn all this technical analysis, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master. The program will cover day, swing and long-term trading systems. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum is extremely bullish and healthy, that I've been mentioning for the last couple of weeks, and on the 2-hour time frame, the entry level was provided at around 2,400 and 2,500 levels. So from the entry level, you've been already up by nearly 50% spot profit. Once the 4 hours started giving a bullish signal, we had 1 to 8 target zones up to date, and we're nearly reaching to our target 7. If you took this trade on the 2-hour time frame, you've been already up by nearly 50% spot profit. 4-hour time frame. When we look into a 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we had an earlier buy signal, which was around 1770 and 1750 level. So one could have been already up by over 100% spot profit. We reached, as I said, target 1, target 2, all the way up to target 8. So we're nearly reaching to our target 7, and we're already up by 103% spot profit. If you're a leverage trader, 10 times leverage would have given you 1000% profit, 5 times would have been 500% profit. So I'm still expecting that the target price, as we hold this level, which I mentioned yesterday, and I'm still holding my buys, that we're going to reach and see 3,700 level. And don't forget to raise your stop losses. For market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8. Earlier this morning, 4 AM, I gave a signal about Xtz, and then I said little pullback, and then we're ready to go. So we're going to analyze the Xtz. As you saw, it was 4 AM right within this candle, and I expected the price to go down a bit further correction, and from there, which was the very important level of the Fibonacci that was played out dollar to dollar, cent to cent, exactly from there, I took my trade, and you've been already up by 18% spot profit. So in less than 24 hours, I'm expecting over 20% spot profit. If you're a leverage trader, as I said, you do the maths. Since the 4 o'clock, we saw a minor correction of 6%. That's another gain. For the Xtz one-on-one extension of this line, it's going to be around, as you can see, $7.70, and we already reached to our target zone. As long as we're going to stay above 770, which we may see a minor correction, and the next target zone of the important level of the Fibonacci, next golden zone, is going to be 1618, $9.95, $10 region. Moving on to TRX, the similar setup shared via Twitter account. As I mentioned, with that we're going to see a minor dump, and then we will start heading towards the upside. So as we saw on the lower time frame that you can see, I shared this before Xtz, and as you can see, minor dump, and then now we started heading towards the upside. So the target levels is going to be, the first target level, it's going to be around 16.5 and 17 cents. The second target is going to be 18 cents and then 19 cents. As long as we're going to close above this one-on-one extension of the Fibonacci level, which is going to be 18 and 19 cents ideally, then the ultimate target zone is going to be the next important level of the Fibonacci, 23 and 24 cents. So if you want to learn and hunt all these coins, how to do technical analysis, risk management, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. During the course, you will learn all of these things what I'm showing. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.